Okay, are we live? All right. You did your hair and makeup, but I didn't do mine.
Oh.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so Mason, Barrett, Jessica Kitchings, we're here. The Barrett team, Keller Williams Realty. How y'all doing today? We just want to do our little drawing because we said we were going to do a drawing for a $50 Lowe's gift card for those who registered at our open house set that we hosted. Jessica hosted the open house at 442 St. Julian Place in North Augusta. And hey, everybody. So we're going to go ahead and do this drawing because we want it to be legit. So we wanted you to see it. And so we got this little bowl. And believe it or not, it was Super Bowl Sunday, right?
Yeah.
And so we weren't sure if there's going to be a very good turnout. But we did have 5 visitors on a Super Bowl Sunday. And it was
Raining.
hailing and it was a tornado. It was raining. And it was great. I mean, it was fabulous. It was really great. And so here's our little bowl. You can see. So we're going to have Jessica draw. Because actually only 4 people registered. So that's really too bad for that 5th person. I mean, a 1 in 4 chance of winning a $50 Lowe's gift card. I think it's pretty cool. What do you think?
I think it's pretty good.
I
Good odds.
think it's pretty good. I wish it was me. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
All right.
Pull it out.
This one,
There it is.
This little ball here.
And it's not all. We did write 4 different names on there and on these balls. Okay.
All right, Sarah.
Sarah, congratulations. Thank you for coming to our open house. We hope all your home shopping dreams come true. And you guys have a wonderful day. We're going to make it a great day here at Keller Williams Realty, all right?
Yes, we are.
All right. Y'all have a good one. Bye.